Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Calphalon Bakeware Set is probably one of the most essential collections for any home baker, offering a comprehensive range of pans designed to elevate your culinary creations from everyday treats to show-stopping desserts, ensuring even heating and effortless release for consistently perfect results every single time you step into the kitchen. Number 5. Cook with Color 12-Piece Mixing Bowl Set. Introducing a practical and easy-to-clean set of kitchen bowls. They are perfect for all your food preparation, serving, and storage needs. This set includes 6 durable plastic bowls and 6 snug-fitting TPR lids. The bowls come in various capacities to suit all your needs. Crafted from BPA-free, food-safe polypropylene, these bowls are built to last. They are also top-rack dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and freezer safe for ultimate convenience. With their tight-fitting lids, storing and transporting food is effortless. They are perfect for everything from cut fruit and salads to snacks, whether you're at home or on the go. Add a splash of color to your kitchen with this vibrant blue set. It's designed to bring both style and functionality to your cooking experience. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us so we can ensure a positive experience. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility for food prep, serving, and storage. The tight-fitting lids make it perfect for meal prepping or taking snacks on the go. If you are looking for a practical and organized way to manage your ingredients and leftovers, this is the set for you. What people say. The bakeware is heavy-duty and does not warp. The cookies slide right off the baking sheets. The pans are easy to clean. Number 4. NutriChef 8-Piece Nonstick Stackable Bakeware Set. This comprehensive 8-piece set has everything you need to bake a variety of delicious treats. From sheet pans to muffin pans, it's perfect for any baking project. Enjoy easy baking and cleanup with its superior non-stick coating. Food releases effortlessly, eliminating the need for extra oils or sprays. Bake with confidence as these pans are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for creating everything from cookies to cakes and pies. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your baked goods. These pans are dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience, though hand washing is recommended to prolong their life. Designed for modern kitchens, this set features a stackable design for easy storage. They fit perfectly in most ovens, making them a versatile addition to your kitchen. Explore endless baking possibilities with this versatile set. It includes pans for cakes, muffins, loaves, cookies, and more, allowing you to bake in bulk. What we like. This bakeware set is designed for both convenience and health. Its non-stick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup, while the stackable design saves valuable kitchen space. If you prioritize a PFOA-free baking experience and need a compact storage solution, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No stickiness at all, they just fell right out. And the bottoms had that same great texture as the tops. And cleaning was just a quick wipe. This 8-piece non-stick bakeware set has truly elevated my baking game. The variety of pans included 2 sheet pans, 2 6-cup muffin pans, a round cake pan, loaf pan, square cake pan, and a deep baking pan, covers everything I could possibly need for any baking project. The non-stick coating is a standout feature. It eliminates the need for extra grease or spray, and every baked good slides right out without sticking. This has made both baking and cleaning up so much easier, as a quick rinse or a cycle in the dishwasher does the trick. Number 3. NutriChef 10-Piece Nonstick Baking Set. Unlock your inner chef with this essential 10-piece bakeware set. It includes all the popular pans you need to get started, making it the perfect gift for anyone who loves to bake. From muffins to pizzas, this set has you covered with a variety of round and square pans. They are ideal for all cooking methods, from baking and roasting to frying and sautéing. Crafted from heavy-gauge carbon steel, these pans are built to last and resist rust. The safe non-stick coating ensures your food slides right off, eliminating the need for extra oil or spray. Achieve restaurant-quality results with even heat distribution for perfectly cooked dishes. These pans are compatible with standard and convection ovens, safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with easy grip handles for safe and comfortable transfer. Cleanup is a breeze, simply wash by hand or pop them in the dishwasher. What we like. This is a comprehensive starter kit for aspiring chefs, offering a wide variety of pans for any baking or roasting need. The heavy-gauge carbon steel ensures durability and even heat distribution for professional results. If you're looking to elevate your home baking and want a versatile set that can handle a wide range of dishes, this is the one to consider. What people say. The nonstick coating is excellent, nothing sticks, even without oil or spray, and everything cleans up in seconds. Each one delivered perfect, even baking. Another huge plus is that they're dishwasher safe and free from PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE, so I don't worry about safety. Number 2. Calphalon 10-piece Nonstick Bakeware Set. Introducing the Calphalon 10-piece Nonstick Bakeware Set. This comprehensive collection has everything you need for all your baking adventures. It includes a large cookie sheet, baking sheets, round cake pans, a brownie pan, a loaf pan, and a muffin pan. You'll also find a cooling rack and a lid for convenience. Experience improved release, offering up to 2 times better performance than our classic bakeware. Its interlocking non-stick layers ensure high-performance food release every time. Enjoy perfectly baked goods thanks to the heavy-gauge steel core that ensures even heating. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. The included cover fits both the cake and brownie pans, making storage and transportation simple. Built with durable and sturdy construction, this set is made for long-lasting performance. What we like. This set provides an exceptional non-stick performance, releasing food up to twice as well as previous models. The inclusion of a lid for the cake and brownie pan adds great convenience for storage and transport. If you value superior non-stick capabilities and easy cleanup, especially for cakes and brownies, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. My food comes out perfect every single time using these. Whether it's cakes, brownies, cinnamon buns, meatloaf, chicken wings, cookies or muffins. I have made them all and they have come out perfectly, and cleanup is a breeze whether by hand or in the dishwasher. Cook evenly. Nice clean looks. Not cheap junk product. This is heavy-duty stuff. Every piece of this stuff appears to be very heavy-duty. Number 1. Country Kitchen Nonstick Stackable Bakeware Set, 10 PCS. Introducing our Stackable Bakeware Set, designed for ultimate space efficiency. It's perfect for smaller kitchens, helping you keep your baking tools neatly organized and saving valuable cabinet space. Experience the convenience of our non-stick pans. Your cakes, cookies, and muffins will release effortlessly, making both baking and cleanup incredibly simple. Designed with your safety in mind, these feature non-toxic construction. The silicone handles provide a secure grip, allowing you to move them safely in and out of the oven. This comprehensive 10-piece set is perfect for beginners and seasoned bakers alike. It includes a variety of pans to meet all your baking needs, from cookies to cakes. Enjoy the benefits of a nesting bakeware set. The pans fit perfectly inside one another, making storage a breeze, especially for those with limited kitchen space. What we like. This bakeware set is a dream for those with limited kitchen space, thanks to its nesting and stackable design. The silicone handles provide a secure and safe grip, making it easy to move pans in and out of the oven. If you love baking but struggle with storage, this set offers a practical and safe solution. What people say. The bakeware is heavy-duty and does not warp in the oven. The cookies slide right off the baking sheets. The pans are non-stick and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.